Hey, go ahead, do it again. Everybody on YouTube wants to hear it. Come on, you can do it.
Drink a whole can of
Yeah.
Holy crap!
And that's about what, the 10th one?
That's like the 10th one, yeah.
Dad, he's over here crying about it's cold and we're wearing t-shirts. You're on
Oh no, not again.
Another one. Holy crap!
Those are fake. Those are fake.
And just for the record, she hasn't drank anything. She's too
Yeah, we better mention that.
I can use air and turn it into actual burp.
Huh?
Put that on Al's hot rod.
I will. I'm gonna put her on there, so.
Oh my god.
I can suck up the air and burp, but not like that.
I know,
like,
right? I don't know how she does it.
You know, I can do the.
Oh my god.
That's about it. Like I can't do those.
Yeah. Look, you even got the dog mixed up, confused there. What the hell is that? The dog's wondering.
Jen doesn't. Jen throws out my burps.
Oh God, super belch.
But I remember drinking a can of Coke.
Child, enough.
Drinking a can of Coke and I burped in a room that was like all glass, like windows, and the windows shook. And my brother and sister were dying. And the person that was in like one of the rooms next door, they came in and I was like, who did that? And, you know, we're laughing. So that's probably the biggest burp I ever did. Yeah. But that was soda induced. So.
Yeah. Wow. I know I should really have my sweatshirt here, but it's in the shop.
You want to go back up? I'll go up with you.
If that wind wasn't here, it wouldn't be that bad. Every time we got perfect weather, the wind comes in or something changed. Something. We get something.
Oh my god! She's kicked me in the ass!
Oh, the second
Jeez.
I have a footprint on my ass now? Are you kidding me? Damn it!
Your butt. You're supposed to say butt.
Yeah, it's your butt. You're on the internet now. You can't say ass. You have to say butt.
Bite me!
I don't know if I can put this on.
I have like 2 things of Pepsi. I had like 2 bottles of Pepsi.
Yeah, that's it.
But it's been a long time since I put anything on, so I might as well.
Are you okay, man?
If I keep burping, you won't keep hugging me.
I'm not over there hugging you.
Yeah. Yeah, you got no excuse.
Yeah, I know, right?
You're just doing it because
What were you
you're.
hugging my sister for, you weirdo?
Yeah, he's a weirdo. And she's gross.
I kiss your dad.
Oh no! No, keep your
The
distance.
beard. He likes the beard.
Better be a little more in character.
You can try growing one sometime, Dad.
Actually, the fact that you have hair and he does.
Oh, he's gonna kill you.
Why is everybody always picking on Jeff?
I feel your pain. It's going away. Like,
Okay.
It's gone.
oh, it's gone. I just don't like to shave it completely.
It's just like, I'm gonna die.
Grow it out really long and comb it over. That looks
It grows.
good.
We got some Screwball whiskey, some Jameson Black, and I don't know what this is, some kind of wine, I think, rosé. But nobody's been drinking the wine. But the Jameson's getting down there. They just opened the Screwball, and it's gone down quite a bit. That Screwball is good. It tastes like peanut butter. And I know peanut butter liquor don't sound interesting, but hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, I'm
Go ahead, do it again. You might as gross us all out again.
True to your word.
Here it comes. Getting smaller.
We're getting worse.
Yeah.
Jeff's like, ah.
a little bit. You know,
Oh.
his early career, he was an anti-vax.
That way I just shut that. That way
Should I get my phone?
See you guys. Are you leaving?
I just gotta go get my sweatshirt so I can drop shot.
Yeah, I'm gonna head home though. I think I've got enough here for put on the YouTube.
I don't think so, Tim.
Yeah, I don't.
You got plenty of burps, that's for sure.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'm gonna head out.
Alrighty.
And
Thanks for coming.
yeah, well, thanks for inviting me.
Oh, sure.
Or I think Richard invited me. I don't know if
Same
I.
thing for a white guy.
Yeah. We can't use racist stuff on here. I happen to like black guys.
You're the master of our wine.
I even know one.
You what?
I said I even know a black guy, so I like black guys. My first girlfriend was black. Back in the 8th grade. She was a beautiful girl until she got around 10th grade. She put on
65 years ago?
yeah, a long time ago. And
Jeff is so mean.
she was beautiful until a couple of years later when she started putting on weight. And the last time I saw her, she was a huge fat girl. Well, I'm gonna go. I think I'll shut this thing down. Okay, we'll see ya.
You have a good evening.
Yeah, okay.